Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to discuss the battery equivalent of the 377 or the AG4 watch battery. So you can find it online under different names, but it is going to be the exact same battery. I'm also going to leave a link in the description below so you can go and purchase it, and you can also find it under the name of LR66, LR626, even 177, and instead of 377, 376. I'm also going to insert the picture so that you can see the different battery equivalents that you can find them online, but most commonly they are going to be AG4 and 377. This is the most common battery used for watches, so it is very useful to have a bunch lying around in case you collect watches. Here on the table you can see that I have different types of watch batteries. I'm going to make separate videos and I'm going to explain to you the exact battery equivalent for each and one of them. And if you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, subscribe to this YouTube channel guys, give it a thumbs up in case this was useful, and I'm going to see you on the next video.